Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will practice English together. You will learn 60 simple questions and answers, questions from everyday life. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start our practice now. 1. When do you wake up in the morning? I wake up at 6 o'clock. 2. Where do you go every morning? I go to school. 3. How do you go to school? I go by bus. 4. Why do you go to school? I go to school to learn. 5. Which subject do you like most? I like English the most. 6. Who helps you with homework? My mother helps me. 7. What do you usually eat for breakfast? I eat bread and eggs. 8. What do you usually eat for lunch? I eat rice and fish. 9. What do you usually eat for dinner? I eat vegetables and rice. 10. How many meals do you eat in a day? I eat 3 meals a day. 11. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I can ride a bicycle. 12. Can you swim? No, I cannot swim. 13. Can you cook rice? Yes, I can cook rice. 14. Are you feeling happy today? Yes, I am happy today. 15. Are you feeling tired now? Yes, I am tired now. 16. Are you busy at the moment? No, I am free now. 17. Is it sunny outside? Yes, it is sunny outside. 18. Is it raining today? No, it is not raining today. 19. Is the sky clear today? Yes, the sky is clear today. 20. Have you finished your homework? Yes, I have finished it. I think these questions are really helpful for everyday English. They are short, easy, and useful. If I practice them every day, my speaking will become better and more natural. 21. Have you eaten your lunch? No, I have not eaten yet. 22. Have you seen the new movie? Yes, I have seen it. 23. Would you like some tea? Yes, I would like some tea. 24. Would you like some juice? No, thank you. 25. Would you like to play football? Yes, I would like to play football. 26. Which fruit do you like best? I like mango best. 27. Which color do you like best? I like blue best. 28. Which game do you like best? I like cricket best. 29. Who is your best friend? My best friend is John. 30. Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Mr. Ko. 31. Who is your favorite singer? My favorite singer is Arijit Singh. 32. Why do you study English? I study English to speak well. 33. Why do you read books? I read books to learn. 34. Why do you drink water? I drink water because I am thirsty. 35. How are you feeling today? I am feeling good today. 36. How is the weather today? The weather is hot. 37. How do you spend your holiday? I spend my holiday with my family. 38. How often do you play games? I play games every day. 39. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 a.m. 40. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. We've talked about food, school, and daily habits, things we use in real life. That's why practicing them is so important. It helps me speak English with confidence. 41. Where do you go on Fridays? I go to the park on Fridays. 42. Where do you usually buy clothes? I buy clothes from the market. 43. Where do you usually buy fruits? I buy fruits from the shop. 44. When do you study at home? I study at night. 45. When do you watch TV? I watch TV in the evening. 46. When do you play with friends? I play with friends in the evening. 47. What kind of books do you read? I read storybooks. 48. What kind of music do you like? I like soft music. 49. What kind of movies do you like? I like comedy movies. 50. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. 51. What is your pet's name? Its name is Tommy. 52. Is your pet friendly? Yes, my pet is friendly. 53. Can your pet play with you? Yes, my pet can play with me. 54. How old is your pet? My pet is 2 years old. 55. Are you hungry now? Yes, I am hungry now. 56. Are you thirsty now? Yes, I am thirsty now. 57. Have you eaten ice cream this week? Yes, I have eaten ice cream. 58. Have you traveled by airplane? Yes, I have traveled by airplane. 59. Can you write your name in English? Yes, I can write my name in English. 60. Can you count from 1 to 10? Yes, I can count from 1 to 10. Great job, my friends. You have practiced 60 daily life questions and answers. Keep practicing every day. It will make your English better and better. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.